Good morning, everyone. I know this has been a while, but I'm out here. We're going to do a quick walk because it's a little chilly out this morning, but I am a little late and I have a lot of errands to run this morning. So we're not going to go that far. Hold on. I forgot to grab something. Okay, now I'm on the walk. Did I hit the right thing? Okay. So I know I wanted to get back into walking, and I did this 30-day challenge. And I'm just now starting, and I'm starting late because, well, if you didn't know, my husband was been in ICU for about 2 weeks. Well, like two and a half, 2 weeks, and just got him home, and he's been home now 2 days. And I thought, okay, it is a little breezy this morning, a little cold, not too cold. I think it's like in upper 60s. It's supposed to be, I think, 70 today. I think, because you know, this Houston weather is bipolar. But I am out here. I'm going to walk a short walk because I haven't been walking in a while because of issues with my knee. So uh, I'm out here this morning. I'm just going to walk to the first stop sign today, guys, because I have to get back and get on the duties. I'm late getting out this morning, and that's all on my fault because your girl, one, overslept. And number two, I didn't anticipate life in this early this morning. So with life and over here on Creative Lane, I had to rearrange some things. So a quick walk to the first initial stop sign is what I'm going to do this morning. Well, yeah, this morning. And then tomorrow we'll go, I'll try to make it to at least we'll make the whole curb because the way the next road runs, it goes all the way down and it turns really funny. So I'll get through the curb and then turn around and go back. Each day I'm going to try to go a little farther. So then the third day, I'll get to the second stop sign, and so on and so on and so on. I'm a little winded because I'm trying to walk double the speed I normally walk. Not an easy walk, but I have a goal. And so to reach that goal, I'm going to do some areas double speed and some areas just regular easy peasy. Okay, stop sign. Now we're headed back. So get you out the sun. So I'm got my pole. You know, you normally carry a stick in case you run into dogs. Now, I know one day I came out here to walk and ran into a rather large dog. And I had my pole with me, but he wasn't the problem. It was a small one, the Napoleon syndrome. You know, when they're small and they want to be bigger, they think they're the biggest thing in the room. Yeah. First, I get, that kind of thing. Well, he didn't get. He tried to bite me. So I clunked him with my pole on the nose. He ran. And when he ran, the big one went with him. But the big one was more friendly. So I think there were somebody let their dogs out. That's an ugly color. Let their dogs out for the morning or they got out the gate. One or the other. But I do want to get this walking thing going, even though it has gotten a little cooler. I'll just make sure I have on the appropriate attire. I'll make sure that I have on sweats, a hoodie, and, if need be, earmuffs, whichever, because I want to do this challenge myself. I put it out there on the table and I need to get in it myself. So today being, I think today is the 15th. This is my official first day. So it'll go until the 15th of February will be my last of my days. So I'm almost back home. Told you it was a quick, brisk walk because I have to make some stops this morning. Is that out of my trash? It sure look like it. Today was trash day. Over here in my area. So, as you see, I'm home. I got my walk in. And if any of you guys out there are participating in this 30-day challenge with me, let me know down below. I really appreciate it. I know I put it out there and I dropped the ball, but life has been lifing over here and I had to make a choice. And being with my husband every day in ICU was more important than walking at that time. So with today being my official first day, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.